In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew bike insurance online after expiry without ownership. If your bike insurance has already expired and you're not the registered owner of the motorcycle, this process can be a little more complicated than a standard renewal. That's because many insurance companies require the person renewing out the policy to have a clear insurable interest in the vehicle. On top of that, the exact rules can vary depending on the insurer and the country or region you're in. So before you try to renew online, it's important to understand your situation clearly. The first thing you should do is verify the ownership status of the bike. Check the vehicle registration and confirm who is legally listed as the owner. You'll also want to find out whether ownership has already been officially transferred or if it's still under the previous owner's name. Make sure the registration details match the current legal owner because this is often one of the first things an insurer will review. Once you've confirmed that, contact the insurance company and explain the situation clearly. Ask whether the existing policy can still be renewed, whether a change of ownership is required before renewal, and what documents they will need from you. This step can save you a lot of time because some insurers may allow the process to move forward while others may require ownership updates first. Next, gather the required documents. In most cases, that may include the vehicle registration certificate, the previous insurance policy, a valid government-issued ID, proof of purchase or sale, if ownership is being transferred, and any additional documents the insurer specifically requests. Having these ready in advance makes the online process much smoother. If the insurer confirms that you're eligible to renew online, go to their website or mobile app and sign in. Enter your policy details or vehicle information carefully, then upload any required documents. After that, review the available coverage options and check the premium amount. Make sure everything looks correct before completing the payment. Once the renewal is successful, download or save a copy of the renewed policy right away for your records. If you're not the registered owner, keep in mind that your options may be limited. The insurer may require the registered owner to renew the policy, or you may need to complete the ownership transfer before buying or renewing insurance in your own name. In some cases, temporary arrangements may be possible, but that always depends on the insurer's rules and local regulations. To avoid future issues, transfer ownership as soon as you buy a used bike, renew insurance before it expires whenever possible, keep both digital and printed copies of your policy, and review your coverage at each renewal. Renewing expired bike insurance may still be possible, but without ownership, extra checks are often involved. Confirm the ownership status, speak with your insurer, and complete any required transfer first to avoid delays or coverage problems.